I'm Linnea, and today we have Sean with us from KTH Stockholm. Nice to have you here, Sean.
Thank you, Linnea.
So you're here to introduce your new project, Bytewalla 5. What is the project about?
Our project is about utilizing DTN network to provide internet connectivities. And in our project, we also developed some applications that can really be used in the DTN network.
Okay, so then I think we all wonder, what is a DTN network? Are there any difference between a DTN network and a traditional network?
Yes, it's quite different.
In a traditional network, if you want to send messages from one node to another, you have to have established network connections between these two nodes. If the connection is broken, the routing protocols that Internet uses now will detect the disconnection and drop the messages. But the DTN technology can overcome this restriction, and the messages will be saved and stored instead of being dropped.
Okay, so now the message is saved and stored, but how do we get the message to another node? Do we have to wait until the connection is established or repaired? I mean, what if it takes too long time or maybe never happen?
Exactly, good question. Actually, our project provides a solution for that. We developed an application on Android phone.
This application can pick up the messages and save them in the phone. If someone travels between these two networks, either by car or plane, they can just take the Android phone with them to help carry the messages. The messages will be automatically transmitted to the destination later.
It sounds like a pretty cool idea. I can see that this technology can be really useful in areas that is lack of internet infrastructure.
Exactly.
But can you please tell me a little bit more about your applications?
Well, over time, there have been several student groups from KTH working on this Bytewalla project, and we have developed a couple of useful applications. Let's take a look at this video, and they can help you better understand our applications.
Okay.
One girl is sent out by her company to an area without any access to internet. She uses our email application to contact the mail office back in the city. The application makes it possible to send email. Two other persons from the same company are working in a local health center in the remote area. They use another application from our project, the Sentinel surveillance application. This application makes it possible to send out patients' health information to the city in a very simple way.
And we have another application that can use DTN to transfer the data that we collected from the wireless sensors.
I have to say that your application seems really useful and practical.
Yes, they really are. The last thing I want to mention about is our DTN middleware implementation. In our project, we have proved that using this middleware makes it easier for developers to develop applications that need to interact with the DTN software daemon.
So thank you, Sean, for coming here today and tell us about your project, Bytewalla 5. It seems amazing.
Thank you, Linnea.
We made it through storms, made it through pain. It's been a long way and now I'm here. Trying to get back what you gave me. You don't need to save me, you broke my fears. So baby, hold on, now that we've come so far, just listen to your heart.